How to order replacement checks from Wells Fargo. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video we will learn how we can order replacement checks from Wells Fargo. So without further delay, let's get started. So first of all, you have to open up Wells Fargo mobile application and make sure to log in. Navigate to your account section. Under your account, you have to select your checking account. So if you have a checking account, open up your checking accounts, and on the next page you will find an option as order checks or order checks and currency. So select that, then you have to follow the prompts carefully. After that, you will have an option whether you want the standard printed checks or style and quantity if you have that options. Then all you have to do is review and confirm your order. Now the second option is to order by phone. So you have to make a call to Wells Fargo. You could find or search for the number online, and you could search for the personal accounts or the business accounts, make a call and request for the check replacement. So these are the way to order replacement checks from Wells Fargo, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.